Mihang'o yambiriirie kiroko kia umuthe thiini wa thukuru ciothe guku bururi-ini ari muthe wa giathe kuri arutwo othe a kirathi gia kanana. Igeranio cikorirwe kiambiriria rungu rwa ugitiri muhiu maobithaa kuma ruhonge rwa githomo makinyitana na honge ingi magitigira gutire murutwo wa kungia wara mihang'o-ini ino. Thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu, Minister wa githomo Ambassador Amina Mohammed no utongoririe mihang'o ya kunyagia maratathi ma igeranio na kimwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Belio Kipsang agitongoria mihang'o ino thiini wa kaunti ya Kakamega.
For this county we've received reports of 3 students and they will sit the exams in hospital. Arrangements have been made for that, as has been made for all students who will be sitting the exam in hospital.
Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mihang'o na yambiriirio ro wega komanda wa gicigo kia Rift Valley Mongo Chimwanga akiranira ni megutigira ni magacirithio ugitiri itemi-ini ria kuhe arutwo ihinda riega na rihoreru magika kigeranio kiao.
Every participant within the whole exercise, we are putting a lot of focus on them so that this time round we try as much so that we don't have even a single incident within the region.
Guku Nairobi maundu matiuma ngurani thukuru iria tucereire ikiambiriria kigeranio giki mathaa maria maheanitwo ona thengia ruthuthu na heho iria yuma kuo.
And even the weather is favoring us and we expect that the day will go on well. What we are assuring our students is that the examination is perfect. The 30% has been done and what is remaining is that the administration of the exam.
Nakuo kaunti ya Kitui oho 15 ni gatagati ka arutwo makiria ma 35,000 aria makorirwo makiambiriria kigeranio kia umuthi uhoro wigi ugitiri ukigwo muhari-ini wa mbere. Minister wa githomo akoretwo agiteterithia murugamo wa ministry no undu umwe na wa thirikari hari gutigira ni kwagia na waragania igeranio-ini ici niguo kuhukia kaimana wicirio koretwo kiyumiria miaka ya hau gabere. Unyitaniri wa kihakuhi gatagati ka ministry ngurani o undu umwe na honge itiganite niguo koretwo ukihuthika guthinga mianya yothe iria ingiyumiria mihang'o ino igithiaga na mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nungari wa Kamau.